have just landed. Yan. As you can see, there's another chopper that has just landed. Thank you to our pilot. Thank you, sir! Thank you po. Ayan. So hi guys, ayan, continuation of my video. I'm with now my teammates.
Yeah, I mean, unless you can get 2 more people on the phone, nice.
This is Mejo, and this is
That's cool, don't worry about
so we're already on our way para sa aming tour for today. Ano nga ba yung tour natin? Oh yeah, helicopter ride, yeah. And here's our boss. Hi, boss. Yeah, so we're already on our way. Nakababa na po kami. Dito na kami sa mismo choppers. Yeah. Sa mga parking and choppers.
Guys, previous daw to.
Ang fresh ko dito sa part na to. Dito lang. Maliwanag eh. Fresh ko dito. So, here are the choppers. Ayan. Then, just going to have, I think,
no problem.
if I'm not mistaken, before kasi we're, sumakay ng chopper since this is our first time, magkakaroon pa kami ng konting briefing. Tama pa? Ate, magkakaroon ba kami ng briefing?
Yes.
Yeah. Diba? Sabi sa inyo eh. So, we will be having a briefing muna bago kami sumakay. Para, you know, whatever happens, magdadar na lang kami. Just kidding. Ayan. So, we're here. So guys, ayan, we have just finished watching the safety briefing video. I'm really not sure kung may naintindihan ako kasi English siya. So, dumugo lang yung ilong ko. Basta ang alam ko, pag may emergency, tatalon ako. That's it. Yung English ko hanggang floor lang po siya. Yes. Pero outside the floor, wala na. Guys, we're now here. Ito, papunta na kami doon sa chopper. I'm really not sure kung ano yung nararamdaman ko ngayon. Quite nervous, but at the same time, excited. Kasi this is my first time. Even if siguro nakakasakay na ako ng plane, this is very much different something. So as you can see, the name of the company is I am not sure how to pronounce it. But yeah, as you can see, that's the name of the company. So there, in front of us, chopper. Yes. Then that's my colleagues. Ayan. Ayan, ninenervyos na siya. Ang aming photographer, ninenervyos na yan. So yeah, so this will be our chopper, which is my favorite color. Yeah. So we're very much excited about it. So guys, yes, guys, here. Nakasakay lang kami sa chopper. And we're very much excited. I'm not sure if you guys can still hear me, but me, I cannot hear myself because I'm already wearing this headset. I'm not sure We have just roam around the Manila, Pasay, Makati, Pasig, BC, Manila Bay.
So guys, refer din nyo para next time.
Yeah, marami kami. I'm not sure dun sa ibang place, pero marami kami inikot. And it's very, very good experience para sa amin. So, we have just landed. Yan. As you can see, there's another chopper that has just landed. Thank you to our pilot. Thank you, sir! Thank you po. Ayan. So, once in a lifetime opportunity, it's very good. Thank you. Yan. So, we're going back na sa office nila. So, ayan. We are now here back at the office.
Doon yung papasok.
Medyo napagod kami. I don't know why. Siguro dahil sa kukulitan namin, kaya napagod kami. So guys, ayan, we have just arrived our office for today. Tapos na kami dun sa aming naging tour, helicopter tour. Ayan, so ano masabi niyo sa experience?
Buhay pa naman tayo.
Buhay pa naman, yes. Yan. So,
Akala ko magagamit yung insurance eh.
yes.
Hindi nagamit si General.
Hindi nagamit, yes. So ayan. So guys, I want you to acknowledge, I just want to say thank you nga pala sa Inspiro for giving us this opportunity na of course makasakay sa helicopter. Hindi siya basta-basta. Mahal siya, maharlika siya. So ayan, please do follow and share and subscribe to my video, to my YouTube channel. Just click on here. And if you want to see new videos of my channel, just click here. Okay, so follow on your Facebook. What is your Facebook?
Just my name, Michelle Lamas.
That's Dennis Gonzalo Serrano.
And that?
From Survivor.
And for me, do follow my Instagram, which is Dex Manzano Official, and my Facebook page, which is Dex Manzano. And then please do follow and like the page of our company, which is Inspiro Philippines, and it's Spiro Invite. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. Thank you.
Bye!